Finding a rough raw diamond can feel exciting, but the big question is always the same. Is it real or fake? Before rushing to a jeweler, there are several simple at-home tests you can use to get a strong initial idea. While these methods are not 100% conclusive, they help you avoid common imitations and understand what you're dealing with. Why identifying rough diamonds is difficult. Rough diamonds don't look like shiny gemstones. They often appear dull or greasy, cloudy or milky, irregular in shape, covered with natural surface marks. Because of this, many real diamonds are mistaken for quartz or glass, and vice versa. 1. Visual inspection. The first clue. Examine the stone carefully under natural light. Real rough diamonds usually have sharp, angular edges, show triangular or cubic crystal shapes, appear oily or greasy, not glassy, do not look perfectly smooth. Fake stones often have rounded edges, look too shiny or glass-like, appear perfectly smooth. Tip: use a magnifying glass or phone macro lens. Number 2. Scratch test with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. How to do it? Try scratching a piece of glass or ceramic tile. If the stone scratches it easily, that's a good sign. Warning: many minerals can scratch glass. Never scratch a valuable surface. This test alone is not proof. 3. Density water test. This is simple and safe. Steps: 1. Fill a glass with water. 2. Drop the stone inside. Results: real diamond sinks immediately. Fake stones may float or fall slowly. Diamonds are very dense compared to most imitations. 4. Transparency and light test. Place the stone over printed text. If you can clearly read through it, it's likely fake. Rough diamonds usually distort or block text. Also, real diamonds do not sparkle like rainbows in rough form. 5. Heat resistance test. Diamonds resist extreme heat. Method: 1. Heat the stone carefully for 30 to 40 seconds. 2. Drop it into cold water. Real diamonds usually remain intact. Fake stones may crack or break. Perform carefully and only on stones you're willing to risk. Amhab 6. Weight comparison. Diamonds feel heavier than they look. If the stone looks large but feels unusually light, it may be fake. Common fake rough diamond materials: quartz, glass, cubic zirconia, moissanite. Very tricky even for professionals. Final advice: at-home tests are preliminary only. If your stone passes several tests, heavy, sharp edges, sinks in water, hard surface, then it's worth taking to a certified gemologist for professional testing. Conclusion: identifying a rough raw diamond at home is possible to a certain extent. While no single test is perfect, combining multiple methods gives you a clearer answer. Always remember, real diamonds rarely look perfect, and nature leaves its marks.